Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So there's been a latest developments in the layer edge beta and a lot of person has been asking questions about it. So I'll be showing us how to resolve those challenges, especially for those using mobile. It's kind of easy for those using their laptop and PC. So let's dive in. So we found out that those using PC, they are able to claim daily rewards, but if you see now on our dashboard, there is no history of any daily reward. Anywhere it's not showing anywhere here. So I'll be showing us how to do that, but first you have to download MySys or Kiwi browser. I was initially using the MetaMask browser wallet to log into my layer edge testnet, but because of claiming these daily rewards, I had to download MySys browser, then downloaded the MetaMask extension, set it up, and connected it to my MySys browser. So this is now connected. So I'll be showing you how to claim your daily reward. The first thing you have to do is to go over to these three arrow here, these three dots here. So the first thing you have to do is to go over to these three dots here, scroll, change your site to a desktop site to load. If it's now in this larger space, if it's now in desktop mode, you go back to the arrow. Sorry, I don't know why I keep calling arrow. You go back to this bar, then go to your settings right here. So in settings for MySys browser, go to accessibility. Then accessibility, under zoom, in accessibility, reduce your default zoom to 50%. So mine is currently 50%. Maybe when you are done with claiming the daily reward, you can increase it back to 100%. But for now, for us to claim the daily reward, you have to reduce it to 50%. So we are going back. So you can see that the screen is much larger and there's more space. So zoom in again. You can see something that has not been there for a while now. That's day streak 1, claim reward. So just click on the claim reward. You can see I'm zooming in and zooming out. It's a bit difficult, but if you're using a PC, it's going to be much easier. So claim reward. So daily reward 1/7. Claim 7 days streak for 500 points bonus. So if you claim for 7 days, you get 500 points. Claim reward. So I think once you click claim, you have to also sign it your MetaMask. I don't know if it is going to also be another criteria for qualifying for this airdrop, but it won't hurt for you to try it out. Confirm. So as you can see, it says reward claimed successfully and it's no longer highlighted. So you can go back. So another day you can also try out this process, this thing we've done. So I'll be going back to return back to the normal size, return the zoom back to 100% and remove it from desktop site. So we're back to our normal screen. And there's still lots of updates from Layer Edge testnet. So we'll be going over to their X page or Twitter page to look it up, and I will get to explain to us what those changes mean. So let's go over to the X page. So we're now on the X page. As you can see from Layer Edge Testnet Live, it says update on referrals. You will now need a minimum of 50 hours of uptime to refer others. So if you've not achieved 50 hours uptime, you won't be able to invite others. It will be void, it will not count, and they will not be able to use a referral link. But if you've achieved a minimum of 50 hours of uptime, you should be able to invite people. And then too, it said for every additional hour of uptime post 50 hours, you will gain access to invite one additional person. So if you've achieved 50 hours, you have access to invite 50 persons. So now for each extra hour you get outside the 50 hours, so for each extra hour you get outside 50 hours uptime, you get access to invite one additional user. So if you get 51 extra hours, that's one invite. 52, that's another 2 invites. Also, from one of the Layer Edge admins on Telegram, it says update on referrals. Okay, we've talked about this. So to calculate uptime for now, divide your node points by 2000. That will give you your uptime in hours. So every 1 hour of uptime is 2000 points. So for you to get 50 hours uptime, it means that you should be getting 100,000 points. So if you've not gotten up to 100,000 points yet, it means that you've not achieved up to 50 hours uptime and you won't be able to invite users. So if you've achieved this and you can invite users, do well to drop your invite link in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please let's like, share, subscribe, and turn on our post notifications for us to get more videos whenever I post it. My Telegram channel and the link to the LAYEREDGE Airdrop is still in my description, so do well to join the Telegram channel for more updates. See you next time.